Yeah. So that last class, what we discussed, guys, can you tell me? Inserting data in table. Okay. Okay, my screen is visible, right? Yeah. Can you tell me what are the steps to create a, what are the steps we need to follow to that connected database? What are the steps we need to follow for connecting database? How many steps is there? What are those? Okay. Okay. Very good. Okay. So we already completed connected database means retrieving the data and inserting the data, create a table and inserting the data and what guys retrieving the data we already completed, right? We are already completed three operations: create table, okay, insert the data and retrieve the data, right? Three operation done, right? Three operation inserting the data we already first of all we creating that table inside table, right? First we create a table in we created table. After that we retrieve the data. Sorry, insert the data. After that we retrieve the data, right? Three operation done: creating, inserting, and retrieving. Right? So guys, yeah. So what we have to do? I need to what guys? What is my table name here? My table name employees, right? Yeah, I'm going to use into that employee table. So in that three record is there. So what we have to do, I need to what we have to do guys, delete the data, sorry, update the data and delete the data. See here guys, this is the record guys, this is the my record employee data. In that if I want to insert the data from that backend from the database query, what we have to do, if I want to insert the data, what should I to do, tell me guys? How we can insert the data, tell me. Yes, insert into employee employees values of what next? Yeah, 104 104 comma single quotation. I need to use Ganesh Ganesh comma. I'm going to give in that address what kernel, right? Execute this query. Quote insert to. So that developer employees. Yeah, data is inserted, guys. See here, Ganesh. Data is inserted here. Guys, getting or not? And I need to, yeah, single quotes. In Java, we should be used to that single quotes. But in MySQL query is different, Java query is different. That is that considered as a string, right? Yeah. Okay. So guys, what should I to do? I need to update the data. Update the data is nothing but that there is a 104. This is that employee ID, right? This ID, instead of Ganesh, I need to use to that Suresh, guys. Okay, I need to update the data. How I need to update the data? Give me 1 minute, guys. Please give me 1 minute. Ah, ah. Hello. Yeah, sorry, guys. Yeah, Rehem, are you there? Hello. Yeah. So what should I to do? I need to update the data. From that, I'm going to updating the data from MySQL query. After that, I need to update a query from to that JDBC application. Okay. How I'm going to updating the data from MySQL? You can check. See here, guys. Update employee employees and set columns. Set column or not. Set what name equal to. I'm going to give into that word is Suresh. This is at where condition where id equal to what is that 104, right? So where that my 104 employee id, that 104 employee id, I need to set a name as Suresh. That 104 is that this is that 104. What is name here? What is the name of this 104 ID guys? Ganesh, right? I need to update that value. So I need to run this query, and you can check that table guys. See here, instead of what guys? Ganesh, there is a Suresh is updated or not? Getting or not it is. Hello? Yeah. If I want to update, then we can use to like that only, right? So if you want to update to that address also, then what you have to do? Use comma address what? Address equal to, I'm going to give in what is Chennai, right? Where ID equal to 104. I'm going to running this application query and checking to that table. See here guys, it is added Chennai. Instead of kernel, it is going to add it to that Chennai guys, right? So this is that query. By using the query, I'm going to updating the data, right? So what we have to do, I need to update the data from JDBC application. Okay, I need to update the data from the JDBC application guys. So what we have to do, there is a insert table already there. So I'm going to creating one more class here guys. I'm going to creating separate class. That class name update data. Update data. Update user data. Update user data or employee data. You can give to the any class name guys. That table name as a employee, right? I'm going to creating it. Guys, this is the steps we already know, right? Or else I need to write again from scratch. I need to write that query from scratch. That steps I need to write that scratch, or may I copy that data from this? May I copy it?
Yes.
Okay. See here, guys. What should I to do? I'm going to write into that main method first, because of there is a two operation is there, guys. We need to complete today. Okay. And this is the steps I'm going to using here. First, fifth steps, and in that what ways? That same thing I'm going to using in this application. And instead of uh, instead of creating that query, I need to update the data, right? I need to update the data. How I'm going to updating the data, you people can check it. See, this is that four. This is that remaining five steps is four steps is same. I'm going to what I'm going to doing updating the data. So how I'm going to write in that query here, same as like we can write that query here. Okay, update employees, set names, and what are the address we are going to change it, same as like guys, or else you should be copy this, or else you should be copy and paste here. And you what you have to do, there is a 101, yeah, 101, and you should be change that value. I'm going to give an Mahesh, right? And location address is that what guys? Maharashtra. Right? So can you run this query? I'm going to running this application. Maybe there is a error, it will become, you can check. Yeah, combination problem unresolved. So there is a error here. Compile time error, guys, it is. Compile time error, the developer should be resolved. Okay, what we have to do? We need to, yeah, add throws declaration and add SQL exception. Yeah, it is done. That compile time error, it is completed. Not now, where it is. Sorry, where it is? Where? Line number 18. Where? Sorry? Okay, is this 21 line? No, that is not a mistake because of it is available in that string. It is getting there. Wait. Save, where is it? Save, progress, save, is not able. Yeah, I'm going to project cleaning here. Maybe it's not able to reflect it. Yes, that compile time error clear, guys, right? So I'm going to running this application. Driver is started and see here, guys, what should I to do? I need to change the data. Employee table created successfully. So data updated successfully. We need to write data updated successfully. Employee data updated successfully. Yes, employees data, but not employees, guys, because of I'm going to updating only one data, right? So only one employee I'm going to updating. This is that not a table name, guys. This is that employee, one person record I'm going to updating. That is the reason I'm going to give it to that singular, guys. We are not able to give in plural. Okay. This is that query, guys. Update employees set name equal to Mahesh. So what we have to do? First of all, I need to check there is a database and it is updated or not. We need to check. Instead of Suresh, we need to update as what, guys? Mahesh. Yeah, Mahesh Maharashtra. It is updated, guys. Okay. From that Jdbc application, I'm going to update the data, right? If you want to change instead of Mahesh, I'm going to give a Naresh, right? That same address. So I'm going to running application again. Then that data should be reflected in database, guys. See here, go and check, control, enter. See here, Naresh updated. Guys, getting or not it is. Yeah, this is the way we can update the data from what, guys? From the JDBC application. So same as like, can we delete the data? Can we delete the data, guys? First of all, we can check. First of all, we can check how we can delete a data from MySQL queries, guys. You people can check what are the query to write for deleting data from MySQL query. You people can check. Delete. There is a delete keyword. Delete star from. Delete from, not star from, guys. Delete from. Delete from employees. Delete from employee where id equal to 104, guys. I need to delete the data 104 id. Which one I am going to updating just now? That is that 104 complete record I need to delete, guys. I don't want required to delete only single field. I need to, based on that id, where is that 104 id is matched, that entire data should be deleted. 104 column name also deleted, address also deleted. So we can check it. See here, delete from employees where id equal to 104. We can check it. See here, guys, that, and go and check that table. See here, guys, 104 record deleted or not? It is deleted. So how we can create the table, insert the data, and retrieve the data, and update the data, and delete the data? This is the CUD operation by using MySQL query. So that same operation we are going to doing by using what, guys? Jdbc application. So this is the, by using this query, I need to delete the data from where, guys? From the Jdbc application. I need to delete it. So what we have to do, guys? I need to create a one more application, guys. One more Java application, and I need to delete the data, guys. Right? So what we have to do? Same package in this application. I am going to take into that one more new class, right? So I'm going to deleting the data, right? Delete user or delete employee. Delete employee data. Only one data I'm going to deleting. That is the reason that we are not able to give in plural, right, guys? Right? See here, I'm going to using what, guys? There is a main method, and guys, can you tell me what are the steps we need to follow to that deleting the data? What we have to follow the previous 5 steps, we can follow here also, guys. Instead of one query, we need to change. Tell me, guys. Steps one. Step one. Register the driver class. How we can register? What are the ways we can? Guys, there is a multiple ways we need to register the driver, but we are going to using only one way. That is that class dot for name method. What is that method name, guys? Class dot for name method. This is that for name method, guys. And what we have to give in that what are the package is there, guys? Tell me. Com dot mysql dot cj dot jdbc dot next driver. This is the way we can what, guys, register the driver. I'm going to adding throws declaration, and after that what is the second steps here, guys? Tell me. Step 2, create connection object. Create connection object, right? Now tell me how we can create connection object. driver manager dot get connection. That's all. What we have to given in that? Tell me what are the URL? Jdbc column, mysql column. Sorry. Okay. Localhost. Hmm. Port number not required. Hmm. Database name. What is my database name? Developer DB. Developer DB. Small R capital. And what next? Root username and password. Right. So this is the way we can. What we have to do? Create that connection, guys. Control S, Control Shift O. Is not able to coming. We need to import a driver manager here. Add throws declaration. SQL exception. So yeah, see here, guys. What should I do next? How we can create connection dot create state done. So that the create statement object will be give what statement object, right? Shortcut. Do you know, guys, how we can come as a shortcut? I need to get, see here, guys. I'm going to move. You don't know. Yeah. So what we have to do? There is a shift and alt button you should be press, and you can use to that L in your keyboard. Then that return statement it will become shift and L. You should be press and use to that L keyword. Shift alt L. Okay. Then that statement object it will be returned. How we can create a what is that? This is the second step, guys. Yes, sorry, this is the third step. Step 3. What, guys? Create statement object. Create statement object. After that, what is the fourth steps? Execute query, right? Execute query. Now tell me, guys, how we can create a execute query. First, I need to create a query. String delete data. Delete data equal to, within the double quotation. We should be used to that query. What is the query we should be used, guys? What are the query? Can you tell me how we can delete the data record from that employee table? How we can delete the record? Delete. What is a delete from where? Where we are going to deleting? From the employee table. Which table? employees table, right? Employees table where user ID, where employee ID, where ID equal to what, guys? Yes, screen you are not able to see now. No, can you check now? Yeah, see here. I'm going to write in that query. So I'm going to delete from employees where ID equal to already 104 ID is available in database. No. So I'm going to give in 103, guys. Sorry? 104 ID is there? No, that is the reason I'm not able, that is not available. Means we are not able to delete it. See here, there is no data. Which one is data is there? That data I need to delete. I'm going to try to already that 104 the data deleted from to that MySQL query, but I need to delete the data from Jdbc application. Okay, I'm going to delete in the data from Jdbc application. See here, I'm going to use into that there. What, guys? This is that deleting data from that what 104 from Jdbc application. I need to data delete what, guys? Delete the data. This is that update the data. I'm going to use into deleting data, right? If it is deleted, so what should I to do? How I'm going to executing this statement? You people can check here, guys. Statement dot which query? Execute query. Sorry, execute update. Execute update query we need to use, right? And this is the object will be give to that what, guys? Int data it will be give, I think. Yeah, int data. This is that return type, guys. This is the return type. Execute statement dot execute update method given that return type as a int, right? So what should I to do? I need to write to that what, guys? SOP line statement. What should I to do? Tell me. Deleted data successfully. No table data, right? Only one record I'm going to try to deleting. Entire data or the entire table I'm not able to delete, right? So employee data deleted successfully. So if it is this 5 steps is it is correct, then that output it will become. What are the output? It will become that data will be deleted from the data. We can check, guys. Run this application and we can check. Connection. I'm not able to get in. Yeah, okay. We need to close the connection. See here, data deleted successfully, guys. I'm not able to writing any SOP line statement. Only one SOP line statement I wrote. That is that execute updated. Right? Go and check first. is deleted or not in the table. So just what guys, run this application. 103 record you can check. See guys, 103 record is deleted. Okay. Yeah. So what we have to do? There is a step one. We need to what guys? This is the steps we should be used. I'm going to doing that. Close the connection dot close. So after restore the driver, I need to use to that what guys, system.out updated successfully establishes connection, and after that what should I to do? Second step, this is the driver, right? Control V, successfully connection closed, employee updated, establish the connection, driver restore successfully, and second one what guys, connection, establish the connection. Wrote the one I wrote, here statement object, right? Control V, establish the connection, updated successfully, private class restore successfully. Okay, apply deleted, close that connection. So this is the steps is not necessary guys. It is that unnecessary only. Connection close successfully. Next statement object created successfully. Right? Yeah. So if you want to delete to that data word guys, 102, then it will be deleted. See here, I'm going to running that application again. 102 data, it will be deleted. Yeah. Go and check in your database. Refresh. See here guys, 102 data also deleted. Guys, getting or not it is. How I'm going to doing that operation, CUD operation. Yeah, this is the way we can do the what guys. CUD operation by using Jdbc application, and shown you to that by using what MySQL queries, as well as by using Jdbc application. I completed to that what guys, CUD operation, creating table, inserting the data in table, and retrieve the data from table, and updating the data from table, and deleting the data from table. This is the 5 operation completed or not guys. This is that main guys, this is that 5 step is that very important. You should be a practice, and you should be what guys, do that multiple POCs. If you guys, can you tell me if you have to that any questions into that, then can you ask me now? In that we already completed 5 operations in that. Do you have any questions? Please ask me now. Yes. Comment. Yeah, how we can read that comment in where MySQL, right? Control A, Control C. Give me 1 minute. Give me 1 minute, guys. Yeah, how we can use to that there is a I think no, is not this is yeah user developers or there is a what is or else you can use to that yeah this is that comment inside that workbench base. We can give that a 101, right? 101. I'm going to execute this query and check in the table. Yeah, this is the comment line of that word guys. In your is getting or not it is. Hello? Yeah. You can use to that this is that this and word ways. This symbol also you can use hash. You can use control or is deleted or not is not able to delete it. Yeah, you can use this also. Or multi-line if you want to use to that multi-line comment, then you can use what guys slash star and there is a star slash. You can't see. Yeah, yeah. So this is the way we can use to. Sorry, in Java. In Java, in Java, we already I shown you. See here. This is that my single line comment. You know, right? Comment in Java. Yeah. Single line, multi-line also, multi-line comment. Okay. Same as like here also we can apply same thing. Any other questions? Yeah, we can delete table. We can delete the table. Actually, there is a guys. We can use to drop the table. See here. Now I'm going to. There is a command. Drop table. Drop table employees. This is the command, guys. If you use it, it will be deleted. go and check. There is no data. It is not able to come. That deleted what guys? Employees table it is deleted. Yeah. Yeah, we can change. Create a table employee of team. Sorry, number right. Number ID number. I'm going to given size as 11, comma name varchar to create table name. Number is not valid. Int of yes. Varchar 50 and I'm going to insert in that what base. One more part next address right. Address varchar 50 that size as a right used to that semicolon. Yeah, control enter that table will be created. Table will be created. Create a table employees, right? So I need to insert the data. I'm going to insert in the data and I'm going to give in that ID as a 101, right? Go and check the table. See here guys, the data it's been 102 will be okay, 103 minus ID. Go and check table. Yeah, pre-record it is created, inserted, right? Yeah, any other questions? How to change the table name? Uh, so that is also very simple guys. There is a one more command is there that is alter the rename that rename command is rename. See here, there is a one more command is there that is rename. Rename. What is my first of all rename table? What is my table name here? Employees, right guys? Renames employees to what is the table we need to give here? I need to give that student, right? Yeah. In check and there is a how we can check DSC student. See here guys, my table is created, right? So what should I to do? I need to check my student data, student table name, See, this is the student table. Okay. Any others? Uh, Array, name, only name. Sorry, I can't get you. Can you repeat? Okay. Yeah, you can do. You need to update only name, or else you need to insert only. Yeah, you need to insert only name. Don't want to insert call ID and address, right? Yeah, but you should. Yeah, it is not possible. First of all, it will be expecting to that how many fields is there. Those fields you should be filled. Otherwise, that data should become as a null. See here, what you are doing here, just missing that 104 ID you are missing, right? ID you are missing, and location also you are missing, address also missing, right? And trying to insert in the data only name. So I'm going to give in that name as a Kumar, right? This is that your requirement, right? Yeah, it will be what guys? It's not able to store because of it is expecting to that what guys? All the fields you should be filled. Okay, you should be filled. See here, if you want to that delete the a particular row, particular field, it is possible. Okay, if you want to insert I don't want to insert ID and address, it is that it will be expecting to that remaining fields also, remaining fields, right? Yeah, you can, it is possible. Null it can be applicable. See, there is a employee where is null because of, yeah, before we can check there is a null is applicable or not, we can check here. uh, Null, yes, where primary key null is yes, there is a remaining null, default null, extra null. So we can check it. We can check it. We added the date. Yes, you can add the data null employees values. But yeah, it is possible that query we can check it is set into, I think, employee. Oh, sorry. Yeah, sorry. Right, it is correct. Yes, go and check student table. There is a null value 6 here. It is possible. Any others? Yeah, you are asking question is very good questions. So guys, you should be do that with JDBC application, as well as you should be practice with that MySQL queries. Okay. Yeah, if you want to require that queries, then I'm going to sharing here also. You can use it. Okay. Yeah. So guys, you should be practice this. Tomorrow class we can start to that what we have to left there. So there is a what is the use of what is the use of prepare statement, callable statement. There is a theory part it will become guys. There is a prepare see here what is the connection, what is statement, what is results set prepare statement and the result set metadata data database metadata, right? This theory part will be covered guys. Almost that what are the operation we can do that by using JDBC, that is that important is completed guys. But if you want we can go through that word guys. There is a this is that interfaces, all are interface I think. So I need to explain tomorrow class guys. Okay. You should be practice. I already gave into that driver manager class. What is driver manager class and what are the how we can create into the driver manager class? What are the methods is there? That method you should be used and what is the purpose of that description also I'm going to give in here. That theory part is that we can understand, but what guys practical we should be understand. We should be practice. We should be doing. Okay. Yeah. Okay, guys. Thank you so much. We will see tomorrow class.